Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the subroutine. So, a subroutine is a portion of a program complete in itself which is stored in computer after programming once. It is called with required data when required again in a program. Let us see in this example. As you can see, one plate is there and four pockets are there. Okay. So here four pockets dimensions are same. Okay, so for that we are supposed to make only one program for one pocket, and that pocket should be repeated. That program should be repeated four times in this program. Okay, let us see next. As you can see, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, that means whenever your tool comes over here, you are supposed to call the subroutine, that is the program which is already made for this pocket in program. By calling that program, your first pocket will become ready. Then you are supposed to move the tool over here, and again you are called supposed to call to the program again at third place. Whenever your tool moves over here, again you are supposed to call that program to make a pocket. Same for the fourth pocket also. Whenever your tool comes over here, you are supposed to call that program to make the pocket in this plate. Okay, here you can see in the program, in main program. So here it is the program. As you can see, L100 P1, L100 P1, L100 P1, L100 P1. Okay, this is what call of the subroutine is there. Okay, so here you can see in next slide here the main the subroutine program is there. Okay, which is having the name L100. Okay, so this program has been called in a main program. As you can see over here, L100 P1, L100 P1, L100 P1, L100 P1. So in such a way it reduces the number of blocks in overall program in the main program. Okay, that's why this is the importance of the subroutine. Okay, now next, that is the Canada cycle. Canada cycle is also called as a multiple repetitive cycle. It is used to perform a fixed sequence of operation. It is used for repetitive operation where material is to be cut in number of passes. It reduces length of program, hence memory space and complexity of program. In this cycle, final position is mentioned in the instruction block and cutter path is automatically plotted by the controller itself. This cycle can be this cycle can be called and cancelled by G codes. So for the canned cycle, to cancel any canned cycle, GAT code is uses, and the other cycle, that is G81 for drilling cycle, G80 for tapping cycle. Okay, so to cancel any type of canned cycle, G80 code uses in the program. Now we will see the MCQs. So here we'll see the MCQ which is based on the unit 6. So let us see the first question. Okay, which machine tool reduces the number of setups in machining operation, time spent in setting machine tools, and transportation between sections of machines? First option is CNC machine tool, second DNC machine tool, third adaptive control system, D machining center. So the correct option is a D option, that is machining center. This machining center reduces the number of setup in machining operation and time spent in setting machine tools and transportation between the section of machines. So the answer of the first question is option D. Now let us see the second question. Which of the following is not the advantage of CNC machines? Let us see the options. Higher flexibility, improved quality, reduced scrap rate, improved strength of the components. So the answer is D. So improving the strength of the component is not the advantage of the CNC machine. So the answer of second question is option D. Now let us see the third question. For CNC machining, skilled part programmers are needed. Now third, that is true or false. So here the answer is option A, that is true. Yes. So for programming you need a skilled part programmer. That is the important. So this sentence is true. Now let us see the next question. In CNC machine tool, the part program entered into the computer memory. Now there are four options: can be used only once, can be used again and again, can be used again but it has to modify it every time, cannot say. So the answer is option B. In CNC machine tool, the program entered into the computer memory can be used again and again. So we have seen in advantages that we can uh, the part program can enter into the computer memory again and again, and we can call it also again and again. Okay, now let us see the fifth question. Which of the following options is correct for the control unit and panel of NC and CNC machine tools? So let us see the option 1, that is the control unit of NC machine tool works in online mode and the control of CNC machine tool works in batch processing mode. Second option, the control unit of NC machine tool works in batch processing mode and the control unit of CNC machine tool works in online mode. Third, the control units of both NC and CNC machines work in online mode. And D, the control units of both NC and CNC machine work in batch processing mode. So the correct option is option B. The control unit of machine tool, the control of NC machine tool works in batch processing mode and the control unit of CNC machine tool works in online mode. This is the correct answer. So the fifth question's answer is option B. Now let us see the next question. In NC machine tool, the position feedback package is connected between, let us see the options, control unit and programmer and machine tool, control unit and machine tool, programmer and process planning. So the answer is option C, control unit and machine tool. Okay, so in NC machine tool, the position of the feedback package is in between control unit and machine tool. Okay, so sixth question's answer is option C. Now let us see the next question. Question 7. The device fed to the control unit of NC machine tool which sends the position command signals to sideway transmission elements of the machine is called as controller, tape, feedback unit, or none of the above. So the correct answer is a tape. Okay, tape is the device. It fed to the control unit of NC machine tool which sends the position command signals to sideway transmission element of the machine. Okay, now let us see the next question. Question 8. The machine tool in which calculation and setting of the operating conditions like depth of cut, feed and speed are done during the machine by the control system itself is called, let us see the option, computer numerical control system, B direct numerical control system, C machining center system, D adaptive control system. So the answer is option D, adaptive control system. So the machine tool in which calculation and setting of the operating conditions like depth of cut, feed and speed are done during the machining by the control system itself is called a adaptive control system. Now let us see the next question. Part programming mistakes can be avoided in NC machine tool, CNC machine tool. Next option both A and B, and last option none of the above. So the answer is B, CNC machine tool. So as we have seen in part programming, we can modify the part. We can modify, if we want to modify the part, we can modify the program by inserting the blocks in between them. So mistakes can be avoided. Part programming mistakes can be avoided in CNC machine tool. So the option B is correct for the ninth question. Now let us see the next question. Several machine tools can be controlled by a central computer in NC machine tool, in CNC machine tool, in DNC machine tool, in CCNC machine tool. Now here see the question. Several machine tools can be controlled by a central computer. So the answer is option C, DNC. That is direct numerical control machine tool. It is the in DNC machine we have seen that one main computer controls the several machine tools. So for 10th question the option C is correct. Now let us see the next question. Which of the following code is used to return a reference point or a home position? Which code? Let us see the options: G23, G28, G14, G19. So here the code is option B, G28. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Which of the following code is used in thread cutting in turning? Option A, G32, option B, G89, option C, G20, option D, G74. So the correct option is option A, G32, which is used in thread cutting in turning. Now let us see the 13th number question. Which of the following code is used to cancel offset compensation for cutter radius? This we have seen in our circular interpolation. Okay, so the circular interpolation programming example. So the options are option A, G40, option B, G02, option C, G42, option D, 00. So the correct option is option A, G40. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 14. Which of the following code is used to specify the location of coordinate axis system origin relative to starting location of cutting tool? So the options are G01, G41, G00, G50. So the correct answer is G50, option D for the question number 14. Now let us see the next question. Question number 15. Which of the following code is used in programming in absolute coordinates? This we have seen in our many examples, part programming examples. We have used many times the absolute coordinate system. Here the options you can see. Option A, G90, option B, G32, option C, G92, option D, G01. So the correct answer is option A, G90. Okay, so we have seen G90. Now let us see the next question. Which of the question number 16, which of the following code is used in programming in incremental coordinates? So this is also we have seen our circular interpolation programs, the code which we have used in that the incremental coordinates. So let us see the option A G90, option B G91, option C G92, option D G94. So the correct answer is option B G91. Okay, while doing the programming in various examples, we have used this many times. For many programs we have used the absolute coordinate system, and in our previous example of circular interpolation part programming we have used the incremental coordinate. Okay, so for absolute G90 is there, and for incremental coordinate G91 is code which uses. Okay, now let us see the question number 17. Which of the following code is used to specify feed per minute in milling and drilling? Option A G69, option B G10, option C G00, option D G94. So the correct answer is option D G94. This G94 code uses for specifying the feed per minute, okay, in milling and drilling operations. Now let us see the question number 18. Which of the following code is used to specify feed per revolution in milling and drilling? Okay, so the option is option A G24, option B G23, option C G95, option D none of the above. So here the correct answer is option C G95. Okay, in our part programming example for milling and drilling we have seen the feed, that is feed per minute, feed per revolution, and we have used these code G94 and G95. Okay, now let us see the next question. Which of the following code is used to specify spindle start forward clockwise rotation in milling and drilling? So the option is option A M12, option B M01, option C M15, option D M03. So here the correct answer is option D M03. Okay, this M03 code also we have used many times in our many examples. Okay, now let us see the next question, question number 20. Which of the following code is used to specify spindle start reverse or counterclockwise rotation in milling and drilling? The options are option A M12, option B M01, option C M15, option D M04. So the correct answer is option D M04. See here, for spindle start clockwise M03 is there, and for anti-clockwise M04 is there. Okay, now let us see the next question, question number 21. Which of the following code is used to specify end of program? In bracket it is reset is there in milling and drilling. So the options are option A M30, option B M05, option C M02, option D M18. Okay, so here the answer is M30. Okay, this M30 code is used to specify end of program or reset in bracket in milling and drilling. Okay, now let us see the next question. Which of the following code is used to specify coolant on in milling and drilling? Option A M30, option B M07, option C M02, option D M09. Now here the correct answer is M07. Okay, we have seen in our one of the example that we have used this M07 code for coolant on. Okay, and also we have seen the code that we used for coolant off, that we will see in next question. Which of the following code is used to specify coolant off in milling and drilling? Option A M30, option B M07, option C M09, option D M15. So the correct answer is option C, M09. Okay, so M09 is uses for a coolant off. If we see here, M07 is uses for coolant on and M09 is for a coolant off. Okay, now let us see the next question. Question number 24. Which of the following code is used to specify tool change in milling and drilling? M00, option A M00, option B M06, option C M05, option D M18. So the correct answer is option B M06. Okay, as we have seen during program setup, we use this in starting of the block. Okay, for tool change, that is M06. We use the code like M06T1 for tool change and selecting our tool. Okay, now let us see the next question. Which of the following code is used to specify peak drilling cycle in milling and drilling? Option A G73, option B G76, option C G87, option D G83. So here the correct option is option D G83. G83 code is used to specify peak drilling cycle in milling and drilling. Okay, now let us see the next question. Question number 26. Which of the following code is used to specify tapping cycle in milling and drilling? Option A G73, option B G84, option C G87, option D G83. So the correct answer is option B G84. Okay, while explaining the cant cycle program, I told you just now the G84 which uses for a tapping cycle. Now the last question. Which of the following code is used to specify boring slash reaming cycle in milling and drilling? Option A G73, option B G84, option C G50, option D G85. So here the correct answer is option D, that is G85 code is used to specify boring or reaming cycle in milling and drilling. So here you can see the major part we have covered in our, if regarding the code is there, the 80% code we have almost covered in our part programming example, that is in part programming in drilling, part programming in milling, part programming for circular interpolation. So in this example we have seen these codes. Okay, so this is what the MCQs for the unit 5 CNC technology. Okay, so if you do the practice of the our programming example, then it will become easy to you to solve these MCQs. So here total 27 questions are there. If you did the practice of programming, okay, then it will become easy to solve these MCQs. Okay, that while solving the example you are supposed to understand the meaning of each code, so that will be useful to you while solving these MCQs. Okay, so after doing the many time practice you will came to know that yeah, these MCQs are easy. Okay, so do the practice of the part programming, CNC part programming for drilling, milling and also for circular interpolation. Do the practice, solve at least two examples, part programming example for these three operations. Okay, so that it will become easy to solve these MCQs. Okay, so here today we are going to stop over here. Okay, so do the practice of programming examples. Solve more and more examples, then you will get easily the answers of these MCQs. Okay, so today we will stop here. Thank you.